Excel is a versatile tool that allows you to organize, calculate, and visualize data in a clear and efficient way. It's perfect for tasks like creating budgets and financial reports, tracking sales and customer data, analyzing marketing campaigns, and managing inventory and resources. There's a lot of key features of Excel. The first one is spreadsheets. Excel uses spreadsheets, which are grids of rows and columns, to organize data. Second one is formulas and functions. You can use formulas and functions to perform calculations, automate tasks, and analyze data. The third one is charts and graphs. Excel allows you to create various charts and graphs to visualize your data and make it easier to understand. The fourth one is data analysis tools. Excel offers a range of data analysis tools including sorting, filtering, and pivot tables to help you gain insights from your data. The last one is collaboration and features. Excel allows you to share and collaborate on spreadsheets with others, making it a great tool for teamwork. Using Excel in tourism. Example, let's say you run a tour operator. Budgeting. Budgeting create a spreadsheet to track your tour costs, including transportation, accommodation, and guide fees and marketing expenses. Sales tracking. It creates a spreadsheet to track your tour bookings, revenue, and customer data. Customer analysis. It is used Excel to analyze customer demographics, travel preferences, and booking patterns to identify trends and target specific market segments. Inventory management. It creates a spreadsheet to track your tour equipment, supplies, and resources. Also, the marketing analysis. Use Excel to analyze the performance of your marketing campaigns, track website traffic, and measure the effectiveness of your social media efforts. Tourism sectors like lodging. It track room availability, manage reservations, analyze guest demographics, and create financial reports. F&B. Manage inventory, track sales, analyze customer spending patterns, and create menus. Transportation. Track vehicle maintenance, manage schedules, analyze route efficiency, and create financial reports. Excursions. Manage tour bookings, track customer feedback, analyze tour performance, and create marketing materials. MICE. Manage event registrations, track attendee data, create budgets, and analyze event performance. The last one is cruises. Manage passenger bookings, track onboard spending, analyze customer demographics, and create financial reports. Excel is a powerful tool that can help tourism businesses manage their data, make informed decisions, and improve their operations.